In this video, I'm going to show you how to test an N8n workflow quickly and easily. If you're building automations in N8n, testing is one of the most important steps because it helps you make sure every node is working the way you expect before you turn the workflow on. This simple method is perfect for checking your workflow logic, catching errors early, and making sure your automation runs smoothly from start to finish. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick N8n tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to test inside N8n. Make sure you're on the correct workflow so you're testing the right automation. Once the workflow is open, look toward the top of the screen and click Execute Workflow. This will run the workflow immediately and let you see how each step behaves in real time. As the workflow executes, N8n will show you the results of each node so you can confirm that the data is flowing properly and that every action is being triggered as expected. If something doesn't look right, you can go back, adjust the workflow, and test it again until everything works the way you want. That's really all it takes to test an N8n workflow. Open the workflow, click Execute Workflow, and review the results. It's a fast and reliable way to verify your automation before putting it into use. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple workflow automation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.